Hello guys, welcome back to another Illustrator tutorial video. Today we are going to learn how to create abstract shapes in Illustrator that you can later animate in After Effects. Okay, so let's crack on.